Hi and welcome back to the CSR house. You might think that internal linings are just to make a room look good or hang pictures on, but there's actually more to it than that. So far we've done all this great work on framing, insulation and cladding, but if you don't get the internal linings right, your building envelope could be compromised, along with the thermal performance of your house. As we'll see, it's not just about choosing good quality products, although that's a great start. It's also about making sure they're installed properly. Stick with me and I'll show you how.
The airtightness of the internal envelope of your home is critical in maximising the operational efficiency of your air conditioning systems. Most people don't actually realise that you can get air leaking in and out of a home through your cornices, through your skirting boards, through downlights, even through power points and plumbing penetrations. So it's not only about good quality products for the internal linings, but making sure they're installed without gaps or cracks to ensure a really good seal. We want to be able to control the airflow according to what's going on outside and inside the house, and not lose valuable cool or warm air through uncontrollable gaps. We want to have controllable ventilation in the house.
There are a few options for your internal wall linings. You can render, use timber boards, or by far the most cost-effective option is a universal wall and ceiling material, plasterboard. And when you think plasterboard, you think Gyprock.
We've decided to use Gyprock 10mm Super Check, which is our premium board offering in our 10mm range. The reasons why we've chosen to use that, it's got a denser core and also heavy facing paper, which means that it's tougher, quieter and now actually greener, because we've been able to get the Good Environmental Choice Australia accreditation for the product due to its high recycled content.
You can't beat Gyprock as a wall lining for its fast, economical nature. Gyprock can be installed to a number of substrates. In our case, we've used a timber frame. It's very easy to install and comes in standard sizes for varying wall heights. You just score and snap the boards to cut them to the sizes you require. You use a glue between the frame and the board, and you screw fix that in to hold it in until the glue goes off. You then use a base coat and then a topping coat over that, a light sand, and it's ready to paint.
Our Super Check board has actually better resistance to dents and scrapes and provides better sound absorption and less noise transfer when compared to standard plasterboard, and that's one of the key features to the reason why we chose to use it at CSR House.
You can't beat Gyprock for ease of installation and easy finishing, and when you use all the Gyprock fixings and finishing compounds, it comes with a lifetime guarantee.
At Gyprock, we're proud of our high quality products and technical support. Gyprock was the first plasterboard manufacturer in Australia to be credited to the Australian standards of 2588.
To complete the airtightness of the building, you also want to seal the joins between the walls and the ceilings and the walls and the floors with cornices and skirting boards. Cornices have a practical purpose, but it's also an opportunity to add some style to a room. Gyprock gives us the flexibility in design to create a great environment with some stylish touches for the occupants, which is what it's all about. In the family room, we've got a coffered ceiling with concealed lighting to add some interest. In the kitchen and living areas, we've used shadow line and square set. And in the rest of the house, jazz cornice gives us a great finish.
When it comes to ceilings, you can use the same plasterboard as your walls, but Gyprock have developed a special ceiling board that's easier to handle. You've got to love that when you're lining a ceiling.
Our Gyprock 10mm Super Seal is also used in CSR House. It's actually manufactured using the CD technology, which is unique to Gyprock. What this means is it actually manipulates the core structure of the plasterboard, making it greater in strength, lighter weight, and superior paper to core bonding, which means it's a better quality plasterboard. Our 10mm Super Seal is designed to span 600mm in ceiling applications and also has a great sag resistance, meaning less material is needed for framing, and a strong nail pull resistance, which provides less chance of fixings pulling through the product.
And for wide external ceilings or soffits in the outdoor living area, we're using the Seal soffit line system. Traditionally, due to moisture absorption, some exterior sheeting can crack over an area this wide. Solving the problem meant a whole new system had to be devised.
Soffit line was developed for architects and designers looking for flush-jointed external ceiling applications. Essentially, the combination of the Seal water block technology within the Soffit line board, the unique jointing and topping compound, and the steel frame means the joints in Soffit line are 48% stronger than traditional fibre cement solutions.
The Soffit line system is great for CSR house, which has a wide ceiling area. Therefore, the fact that we can provide a flush jointed solution without the chances of cracking is a great aesthetic.
And for wet areas or areas exposed to weather, we're using Cementel fibre cement products. With its embedded water block technology, Cemensil wallboard repels water, giving you a much more stable wall material and stronger joints. This will reduce the chance of a leaky bathroom in the future.
Bathrooms in wet areas represent the most expensive insurance claim of any room in the home. Therefore, it's important to ensure you use the right internal lining and jointing system. In order to combat these expensive claims, the Cementel team have introduced Cemensil wallboard, incorporating unique water block technology that prevents water penetrating into the sheet. The result is a more stable product and significantly improved adhesion between the sheet and jointing compound, creating a stronger joint than standard fibre cement sheets and reducing the risk of cracking. In addition, Cemensil provides 100% paint adhesion for quicker and easier application.
Finishing the internal lining is a big milestone. Not only is it a vital part for the efficient building envelope, it forms the basis for your whole interior look and feel. If you'd like any more information on Gyprock or Cementel, have a look at gyprock.com.au or cementel.com.au. And for all the latest news on the CSR House project, have a look at csr.com.au. Or you can find us on YouTube. See you next time.